Welcome to this video on the forensic identification of explosive materials. We will cover key substances like RDX, TNT, PETN, and dynamite, offering a forensic perspective on their systematic analysis in criminal investigations. Explosives are defined as materials that rapidly produce heat, gas, and pressure. These energetic substances are essential tools across various sectors, including military applications, mining, and critical post-blast crime investigations. To understand these materials better, we look at their core definition and widespread applications. The rapid release of energy through heat, gas, and pressure forms the basis of how these substances function in the field. Explosives are primarily classified into two categories. Low explosives undergo deflagration, a process of rapid burning with subsonic velocity. High explosives, however, undergo detonation, resulting in a powerful supersonic shockwave. This fundamental difference in decomposition is crucial for identification. Whether it is the subsonic burning of low explosives or the instantaneous supersonic detonation of high explosives, forensic experts must distinguish between these mechanisms. Let's examine some common high-order energetic materials. RDX is a powerful, stable military explosive. TNT is a yellow compound with a low melting point. PETN is highly sensitive, while dynamite and ammonium nitrate are staples for industrial mining. RDX, or cyclotrimethylnitrinitramine, is a stable, white crystalline powder. Due to its high detonation velocity, it is a primary component in many military plastic explosives, such as C4. TNT, or trinitrotoluene, is a stable yellow compound. It is well known for its relatively low melting point of approximately 80 degrees Celsius, making it a distinct substance in forensic analysis. PETN is recognized for its high sensitivity. Because of its reactive nature, it is most commonly utilized in the manufacturing of detonators. When identifying explosives, experts evaluate several key properties. These include sensitivity, physical stability, detonation velocity, and chemical composition, all of which are vital for accurate categorization. In a forensic context, proper identification is paramount. These findings directly assist in identifying suspects and help investigators accurately reconstruct the sequence of events following a blast. Evidence collection is a delicate process. Specialists must collect residues with extreme care and follow strict protocols to avoid contamination, which could compromise the integrity of the samples. Initial screening often involves presumptive tests. Methods like the grease test or the diphenylamine test provide rapid, preliminary indications of the presence of specific explosive materials at a crime scene. For definitive results, confirmatory tests are required. Techniques such as thin layer chromatography, gas chromatography mass spectrometry, FTIR, and Raman spectroscopy allow for the precise identification of chemical signatures. Instrumental analysis serves as the backbone of modern forensic labs. Tools like GCMS, HPLC, and ion mobility spectrometry ensure that even trace amounts of explosives are detected and accurately identified. Various detection techniques are employed in field and lab environments. These include the use of specially trained sniffer dogs, specialized electronic detectors, and advanced X-ray imaging systems for non-invasive inspection. In one notable case study, forensic investigators successfully identified RDX residues at a blast site. This critical evidence was instrumental in linking the explosive materials found to specific suspects. Forensic investigators face significant challenges in the field, including the difficulty of trace detection, preventing site contamination, and managing the natural degradation of explosive materials over time. When handling energetic materials, safety is the top priority. Personnel must strictly avoid exposure to heat and friction, and always utilize appropriate personal protective equipment to mitigate risks during collection. Legal compliance is essential in all forensic operations. Investigators must strictly adhere to the Explosives Act and maintain a rigorous chain of custody to ensure evidence is admissible in a court of law. The field of explosive detection continues to evolve. Emerging technologies, such as highly sensitive nanosensors and AI-driven detection algorithms, are significantly enhancing the speed and accuracy of forensic analysis. In conclusion, the precise identification of explosives remains a critical component of forensic science, ensuring justice and safety in investigations involving hazardous materials.